Well, hello, all you beautiful people. It's actually Tuesday right now. We're at the Savage compound. We got Greg, we got Ellen. We just got done slamming some legs. We killed legs this morning, high volume legs. 74,000 pounds worth of leg day love. Gotta love it. Anyways, we just got done with our morning meeting. We are rolling out the rolly bins that have all the finished brick flavors so that Ellen can package them. So, I'm gonna set this camera down. That's what we're gonna do right now. Hey. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Hey. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Hey. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Get them doggies rolling, rawhide. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Rawhide. Hey. Rawhide.
Alright, what up guys? It's been a long time since I've actually personally talked to a camera. A lot has changed in the Keto Brick kitchen. Starting off with, we got our own little lockers, which is pretty cool. We got our little names on them. We got our own little booties. Oh, can you see them? Booties. I would show you guys a little bit more, but we got some stuff working and not allowed to show that. But we are in production today. We're gonna be banging out some bricks. We're gonna be making more bricks. Look at all these bricks we made, guys. We got one rolly bin full, mostly full, and then about halfway. And now the guys are getting set up over here. This is some mixing and pouring. So we got a full day today. We got a bunch of dirty dishes over there. We got Clancy, say hi Clancy. And then we got Mr. Ralph putting together the machine, the thing that makes these bricks happen. It's a full day today. We're probably gonna be here till about 6 o'clock, I would imagine.
There's Robert
What's up?
doing as much work as he normally does.
Hey, y'all want to see something impressive?
Going over here. Look at all these orders. Ellen is rocking
The bricks.
the orders today.
So you want to see something? Look at it! Look!
Okay, I'm going home.
Looks like kindergartner's set of horseshoes. What's up, guys?
We're getting it mixed up.
I like it. There's the finished goods over there. Braces over here, deep cleaning the floor wrapper. Yeah. Look at all those little tiny nooks and crannies.
I know. I love these things because now I can actually get in between the chain. Not that we're not always clean, but like
Much
I don't
easier.
know, much easier to
Yeah.
make sure it's really clean.
What are you listening to?
It's called Rye, R-H-Y-E. It's like my focus music. It's slow, sensual, baby making love music.
I like your socks.
Yeah, man.
Okay, bye.
I'm gonna get a treadmill desk. Is that what they're called?
Yeah, walking desk.
Walking desk.
So you
You
can.
think it'll fit? I think it'll fit under here. I don't know that I've got the hand height, but I got that 50-mile march, and I feel like if I'm walking while I'm working, get my feet get
Walking and working.
walking and working.
Good idea.
I just finished the live call. So every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Central, I do a live call for the Tribe, which is our membership group. And today we dove into all kinds of good stuff. I actually just got a DEXA scan last Wednesday, so I've got all the results of that. We went over that, my caliper test, my in-body scan, basically put all that stuff through my calculator. Showed people what to do from a composition standpoint, what to do from a macro adjustment standpoint, depending on the goals, all that jazz. It was a very great call. It was an hour and 20-minute call. We had super high engagement from everybody. They brought their questions to the table. We talked shop the whole time. It was great. Now I'm going to go home, eat a bunch of food, go to bed. See ya tomorrow. That head looks just like that head. One's got a mustache. What we about to hit, man?
What are we doing today?
Shoulders.
Delts and triceps?
Delts and triceps. About to slam the delts, y'all. The delt attack. The deltoid destroyer. I'm all blacked out for the mood. Get after it, y'all. Woo. Crystal and the kiddos are here. She does our Instagram reels, like our funny reels. So we just got done filming a funny reel. So y'all need to check out our Instagram because she's the one in charge of all that, right? Can you show us a clip of what you just filmed?
Well, let me get there first.
While she's finding that, we got Raiji being a froggo.
Are you a frog or a toad?
We got
Frog.
Hazy
gotta
just
get green
chilling. Chilling. Look at those cute little baby toes. Are you smiling? Are you smiling at me? Yes, you are. What you got, babe? Oh, yeah. But you got to see the full thing on IG. Isn't that right, baby?
That's right.
Hello again, Keto Brick crew. While I push around Mr. Hazen, over here, we got Robert absolutely demolishing Rigel in a pillow fight. Oh no.
Alright, Ellen is printing labels, eating a keto brick,
Drove it.
and rocking and rolling.
Yeah.
Hey, did you read the YouTube comments? Somebody said on the last vlog that their bucket list item is to meet you.
Oh no.
I'm serious.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh.
Everybody loves you,
Pretty
Ellen.
cool.
Smile.
Well, I love them.
All right, you guys want to know the worst part about working with Robert? Nobody else is going to tell you this. I'm going to show you. He puts the toilet paper on upside down. All right, we're going to go see what the guys are up to in the kitchen, making all kinds of ruckus. I think they're back here around the corner. There they are. Look at that. We got fresh bricks, guys.
Yeah.
Looking good.
A little swirly on the top.
Yeah. Looks like ice cream. This is primal. We got Bryson on the other end here. Quality control and date stickering. And in the bin they go.
Yes, sir.
The Three Stooges. The Three Stooges. All right, y'all. We are formulating something new and unique, and it's gonna be tantalizingly tasty. Say that 3 times fast. All right, behind the scenes, something magical in the making. Yo, yo, yo. I'm jumping around a little bit in this vlog. Yesterday I didn't film at all. I had to go back to Oklahoma and take Diesel in for another surgery, TPLO surgery for his ACL. We had a little workout montage earlier. That was shoulders. We're doing back right now. So I figured I'd leave you with a little clip of me doing some deadlifts. The back workout is done. I just got a shower. Greg's about to get a shower. We're just gonna vlog that whole situation.
That's the paid subscription only.
You can find him on OnlyFans where he sells his feet pics for a good price.
Freebies.
Freebies. Just kidding. He's pretty expensive. Crystal's birthday was not too long ago, like a week or 2 ago. And I didn't really do anything crazy special. So I'm kind of a lame husband in that regard. But shortly thereafter, Greg was telling me about this cool little thing he found online. And I'm like, I'm going to get that for Crystal. So I got it for her. I'm going to give it to her later today. But check this out. It's in here, Greg.
Yeah.
Let me turn this camera around.
Here, I'll hold it.
All right, so we got...
Want me to take it out? You take it out?
Look at this. The Mom Manual by Crystal Sykes. This is definitely like an AI to the max generation here. But let's see. Yeah, it's like hardcover book. Let's see what we got here. Oops, let me turn that down. All right, the Mom Manual. Looks pretty close to her though. Looks relatively close to me. Raiji, Hazen, all believable. But it's like I put in some information about her and like how she speaks, and then he kind of like wrote all this stuff, which is kind of crazy. So I'm excited for her to read her book. Smells good in here, Greg. What we eating?
80-20 beef, butter, special sauce from Primal Kitchen, and pickle de gallo.
Whoa, dude.
Look at all that butter.
That's what I've been doing at my meals. I've been putting a whole bunch of butter, olive oil, and Primal Kitchen on my pork, and it's delicioso. And
a Zevia.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Smells better than 18 cans of sardines in here, I'll tell you that.
Yes, it does. Never
Never dull moment here at the Keto Brick compound. We're doing some flavor sampling right now, different protein powder samples. And I'm going to show you the brands, the details. These are all chocolate proteins. So we're just going to taste these and see if we can tell any difference. You want a spoon, Greg?
Sure. Wait, did you ask me to spoon just now?
I just realized that when it came out of my mouth. You want a spoon, Greg?
You want a spoon, Greg?
It's so weird to eat protein powder.
Just like hot cocoa mix.
It does. All right, let's see if that tastes the same as this.
It's pretty good. I'd have another scoop.
Well, this should taste the exact same because this is that exact same stuff. This is the original we sent. I just want to make sure it tastes just like that.
You're gonna screw up my protein macros. Yeah. Can you do this? You know that trick? You spoon? I can't do it.
That tastes a little bit different to me.
Taste it again.
You think it tastes the same? You do?
Yeah.
I mean, it may be just difference in the texture too. All right, now this one is,
That's their replication.
yeah.
Spoon me.
Spoon. Drug deal, protein powder style.
No.
It's definitely different.
Mm-hmm. Even has like a little bit of an aftertaste.
Which you like better?
Ours.
Yep. Can't beat it, the original.
Spoon me some more. Mm-hmm. That's more of like a cocoa chocolate.
Now try this.
I already licked my spoon though. This is how messes happen. Oh. Oh.
Got some protein in your pants there, bro.
Yeah, you got spooned too hard. Mm-hmm. Ours is the winner for sure.
All right. Looks like we test, not guess.
That's the way we do it.
All right, y'all, let me tell you what's up. We have got some very exciting things in the pipeline for Keto Brick and for the Apparel website. I'm in the Apparel room right now. We've got, let me just turn this screen around here. So we've got mountains of inventory of things that we are getting ready to launch. We have got new designs in the pipeline. We are doing production in-house, like we do all of our stuff. And we are getting some serious swag. And it goes beyond just shirts. We got like backpacks. We got freaking cooler bags. I mean, we got all kinds of cool stuff that's getting ready to drop. But, I mean, we got some cool shirt designs here. We got all kinds of cool stuff in the pipeline. We got some cool stuff with Keto Brick that we kind of teased a little bit that's going to be dropping before long as well. Let me turn this light off. So, all that to say, that's why that's one of the reasons I kind of wanted to do these vlogs, because I wanted to bring y'all behind the scenes for some more of the just real-time business stuff that we've got cooking as we're cooking it. So I'm super excited about all that is to come in that regard. I am grateful for y'all following along, and yeah, I don't want to get too long-winded on these vlogs. I'm trying to keep them around 8 to 12 minutes. Probably have no idea what we're at right now. I'm gonna go get some more computer work done and call it a wrap for this one, but we got some cool stuff in the near future. So appreciate y'all. Thank you for tuning in and following along, and we'll see you next time.